Bears. How are you, first and second graders? This is our.
Good.
It's okay, honey. You don't have to. You don't have to take your mic off, okay? But thank you for sharing. But remember to keep your mic off. I could see some of your faces, so you could just give me a thumbs up or a smile. But it's great seeing all of you. We see teachers and parents and our great support staff. So thank you all for joining us. This is our second trimester awards assembly for our first and second grade students. They have been working hard and we want to be sure to recognize them. You all received report cards last week and now it's time to show all of your academic achievements in different areas. So we're going to begin with academic achievement. And boys and girls, if you want, you could do your Beardsley cheer. But again, don't take off your mic, just go, yeah, okay, here we go. Academic achievement. Miss CK, academic achievement in reading. Yom Megistu Lemecha. Academic achievement in reading. Osiris Lobbins. Academic achievement in writing. Samantha Molina. Academic achievement in writing. Jaden Martinez. Academic achievement in mathematics. Jordy Ramirez. Academic achievement in mathematics. Elena Lobbins. And I forgot to mention before we continue that we are recording this assembly. So parents, if you want to share the link later with family members, it will be available. And students, you will also be able to show your parents using the link later if they weren't able to attend. I forgot to say that at the beginning. And moving on with Maestra Luna. Estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Isis Gonzalez. Estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Christian Donis Orantes. Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Manuel Flores.
Métete, Cristian, ¿por qué no te metes, pues?
Está metido.
Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Cameron Moniz. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Caitlin Ortiz. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Selena Valencia. For Miss Chu, academic achievement in reading, Ryan Sanchez. Academic achievement in reading, Rosalind Cerna. Academic achievement in writing, Maya Rodriguez. Academic achievement in writing, Damian Magallanes. Academic achievement in Mathematica, I'm mixing my languages. Academic achievement in mathematics, Isaac Bendana. Academic achievement in mathematics, Noah Martinez. Academic achievement in reading, Alina Godbot. Academic achievement in reading, Ricardo Castillo. Academic achievement in writing, Juliana Luevano. Academic achievement in writing, Mia Gomez. Academic achievement in mathematics, Carlos Gutierrez. Academic achievement in mathematics, Sarah Alvarez. For Maestra Roque, estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Mauricio Rosales. Estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Sofía Viela. Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Kenzie Quevedo. Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Logan Serrano. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Mia Mejía Sánchez. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Nicholas López. Maestra Neil. Estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Jaden Chavez. Estudiante sobresaliente en lectura, Dominic Reese Ayala. Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Efren Reyes. Estudiante sobresaliente en escritura, Noel Banuelos. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Celeste Alvarado. Estudiante sobresaliente en matemáticas, Emiliano Montanez. And for Miss Shear, academic achievement in reading, Dallas Gonzalez. Academic achievement in writing, Brielle Torres. Academic achievement in mathematics, Giovanni Reese. And now for academic improvement. For outstanding improvement in reading from Miss CK's class, Salomon Castillo. For outstanding improvement in writing, Jaden Martinez. For outstanding improvement in math, Osiris Lobbins. For Maestra Luna, para estudiante más mejorado en la lectura, Alexander Roman. Para estudiante más mejorado en escritura, Aralín Villarreal. Para estudiante más mejorado en matemáticas, Jorge Valdivia. For Miss Chu. For outstanding improvement in reading, Leah Perez. For outstanding improvement in writing, Sophia Shimono. For outstanding improvement in math, Eddie Vasquez. For outstanding improvement in reading, Alina Alvarez. For outstanding improvement in writing, Carlos Gutierrez. For outstanding improvement in math, Edward Jasso. For Maestra Roque, para estudiante más mejorado en la lectura, Noah Maldonado. Para estudiante más mejorado en escritura, Jeremiah Kenny. Para estudiante más mejorado en matemáticas, Emma Andrade. Para Maestra Neal. Para estudiante más mejorado en la lectura, Daniela Herrera. Para estudiante más mejorado en escritura, Juliana Salinas Martínez. Para estudiante más mejorado en matemáticas, Jasmine Quiroz. And for Miss Shear. For outstanding improvement in reading, Luke Gonzalez. For outstanding improvement in writing, Isaac Torres. For outstanding improvement in math, Jocelyn Rojas. And now we have Teacher's Choice. Boys and girls, this award is given to the student, and the teacher chooses the area that they would like to recognize the student in. For Miss CK, Elena Labens, for completing her work independently and for succeeding at whatever task she puts her mind to. Yom Mejistu Lamecha, for being an enthusiastic learner. He especially enjoys learning any topic that is related to science. And I see him smiling. For Maestra Luna, Miles Doris, sobresaliente en matemáticas y lectura en español y inglés. Maestra Luna, Mia Pacías, sobresaliente en matemáticas y lectura en español y inglés. For Miss Chu, Leah Perez, for being responsible and a class helper. She notices when students are in need of help in class and will help if they have lost their page or are having issues with their computer. For Miss Chu, Maya Rodriguez, for being a caring friend. She is always kind to her friends in our online classes. Her smile brightens up our day. For Miss Chu, Mia Gomez, making wise choices and always trying her best and actively participating in class. For Miss Chu, Ricardo Castillo, for attending all his class sessions and completing his work. He is excelling in math and reading. Maestra Roque, Jesselyn Martinez, llegar a clase preparada para trabajar y esforzarse al máximo. Maestra Roque, Kenzie Quevedo, siempre teniendo una actitud positiva y un comportamiento amable. Maestra Neal, Aiden Carlos, mejorar académica general. For Miss Shear, Giovanni Reese, in recognition of Gigi Math the Magician, 100% complete. Miss Shear, Dallas Gonzalez. He's an imaginative learner meeting weekly usage goals. And Giovanni Reese for Miss Shear, imaginative learners meeting weekly usage goals. Now for citizenship. In the area of citizenship from Miss CK's class, Solomon Castillo, Samantha Molina, Osiris Lobbins, Jordi Ramirez, Jaden Martinez, Elena Lobbins, Yo Megistu Lemecha, Ruben, for Maestra Luna, Ruben Caldera, Jacob Camacho, Delilah Carrillo, Summer Cadillo, Mia Maldonado, Cameron Moniz, Caitlin Ortiz, Mia Pasillas, Christian Donis Orantes, Miles Doris, Emiliana Escrutia, Manuel Flores, Lily Garcia, Edgar Nathan Rodriguez, Alexander Roman, Jorge Valdivia, Selena Valencia, Araline Villarreal, Isis Gonzalez, Romero Gonzalez, Francisco Lopez, Mia Quiroz, Rosalind, for Miss Chu's class, Rosalind Cerna, Maya Rodriguez, Jocelyn Harnden, Soraya Evans, Sofia Shimono, Damian Magallanes, Noah Martinez, Mikel Torres, Eddie Vasquez, Leah Perez, Isaac Bandana, Sarah Alvarez, Carlos Gutierrez, Alina Alvarez, Ricardo Castillo, Juliana Luevano, Mia Gomez, Alina Gabat, Nikolai Moore. For Maestra Roque, Benjamin Campos, Annabelle Najera, Jacob Castaneda, Bella Ramirez Hernandez, For Maestra Neil, Noel Banuelos. Efren Reyes. Celeste Alvarado. Emiliano Montanez. And for Miss Shear, Luke Gonzalez. Giovanni Reese. Jocelyn Rojas. Brielle Torres. Dallas Gonzalez. Isaac Torres. Boys and girls, I want to give you a big round of applause. Get all of you on here, give yourselves a big pat on the back. Way to go. Woo. Yeah. We are so proud of you. Thank you for all your hard work. Parents, thank you for your continued support and your trust in all of us. And I can't thank our teachers and support staff enough. This has been a very, very different year. And honestly, we could not do this without all of us working together. So thank you. Boys and girls, as I shared earlier, you will have a chance to turn off your mic, but you need to listen to the directions, okay? We always, when we're in person, like to thank our parents. And some of your parents were able to log on, and some of them may view this later, which is also nice because it's recorded now. But we also want to thank anybody taking care of you, your grandparents, your aunts, your uncles, maybe it's a babysitter, your parents, your teachers who are with you day in and day out, all of the aides, all of the support staff. So when I count to 3, you need to listen to the directions. Do I have your listening ear? When I count to 3, we're going to take off our mics. Hold on, not yet. Oh, not yet. Hold on, let me mute. Okay, we're going to take off our mics on the count of 3 and say thank you. And I am going to allow parents to congratulate students in the chat. So on the count of 3, ready? And then when I say off, that means we all have to turn them off, okay? Okay, ready? 1, hold your ears because they might hurt. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and off. See how fast we do it. In 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Oh, wow. Give yourselves a pat on the back for turning your mic off so fast. You guys are awesome. Wow, your teachers and parents have done a good job training you with those mics. Boys and girls, again, thank you. Parents, thank you. Teachers, can't thank you enough. And aides and support staff, thank you, thank you, thank you. We hope you all have a great rest of your day and enjoy your weekend safely. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Make sure, boys and girls, make sure, boys and girls,
Bye.